In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link text boxes in Microsoft Word. We all know that Word is a versatile tool for creating documents, but sometimes organizing your content efficiently can be a bit tricky. That's where linking text boxes comes in. With this feature, you can seamlessly flow text from one part of your document to another, which is especially useful for creating newsletters, brochures, or any layout that demands a dynamic text flow. Let's dive into the steps and make your document design process smoother and more professional. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word document. Now, it doesn't matter whether it's a fresh new document or one already in progress. Just make sure you have it ready to go. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the Insert tab located at the top of the window. This tab is your gateway to adding various elements and features, including the main attraction for today's tutorial, text boxes. After clicking on the Insert tab, find and select Text Box. It's usually toward the right side of the ribbon. For this exercise, we'll create a text box on the first page as well as a second one on the following page. However, don't start typing anything just yet. We want to ensure the linking process goes smoothly before adding content. Okay, once you've inserted your text boxes where you want them, go ahead and click on the first text box to select it. You'll notice a new tab pop up on the ribbon called Shape Format. Navigate to this tab. This is where we can create the magic link from one box to another. In the Shape Format, you'll find an option labeled Create Link under the text group. Once you click this, it's a pretty neat feature. You'll see your mouse cursor change into something a little different, a picture. This indicates you're in linking mode. Now, with your cursor in this new mode, navigate to the second text box you inserted. Clicking on the second text box establishes a dynamic connection between the two. What this means is whenever you input text into the first box and it overflows, the text will automatically flow into the second box. That's the beauty of linked text boxes. It allows for a seamless continuation of content without manual adjustments or awkward format shifts. With that, you're all set. You've successfully created a link between two text boxes in your Word document. This feature helps in maintaining the readability and aesthetics of your document. Whether you're designing a professional newsletter, a stylish magazine layout, or even long-form documents, linking text boxes offers a neat and efficient way to manage your content flow. Now go ahead and play around with this feature to see just how versatile and user-friendly it really is. Happy editing!